I will talk about how can you disable WhatsApp notifications on your Webull app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click here on menu down here, just click on it. When you just click here on menu, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on settings here, just click on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on navigation settings here. Sorry, we will go back. You click here on general here. Then you go down, just click here on promotion notifications. You come here to WhatsApp, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my WhatsApp notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing.